My dear friends, welcome to the channel. Comment, like and subscribe. We start the work to restore one of the ugliest Tamiya ever made. This, the Opel Ascona, the Audi 4 and the Honda City Turbo. They are ugly for the one who wants real model, but perhaps entering in the Japanese mind, these are very nice and funny cars. So, after so many years, I told you about this car in the previous video. After so many years, we start. And we have two works to do, one on the body and the other on the frame. So we start from the body. Undo everything. About the body we have nuts, screws outside, and we start from the window. Later I will look for instructions because I don't have them. I just have this car, not the box, nothing. Then here, I don't know why I have this very large lamps. One, two, mounted without a screw. Rear one. Thanks to the old unappropriated glue, perhaps I can this has to be painted with a transparent. And this puck, dangerous. This is glued super well. Okay, here we are. A little bit damaged, but I can fix. No other parts. These, wow, thank you. And also these, I think. Okay, this very yellow and dirt body, but here we have the body. Now it's time for this, and we start from, obviously, wheels. Metal bushing and plastic. Plastic. Used terrible plastic. Fortunately, tires are not glued on rims. This is a good thing. Perhaps, as I have a lot of these bushings, metal, they are nice. I will use them. The tires are still in very good condition. And now I think this for this African Safari front bumper, and electric screw, maybe faster. And about instructions, I will go on TamiyaBase.com, if I don't mistake, .com, yes, maybe .com, and there you register and you find quite everything, also instructions to print. Don't print instructions in colors, otherwise you have to buy blue. Like this, and now this. Whoa, this is absolutely not an original screw. Why there's this screw? Perhaps he made a mess with the hole. Quite large. One and the other lost. Impossible. Okay. Then, wow, this is very easy. One black, one transparent. All this I will leave together and fix like another model. Then this, okay. It seems this car in the time had some trouble. Too many pieces not original. I want to work a little bit on this. And this is absolutely the floor frame. I'd like to take it to the original car. It's so delicate. A piece of iron. Well, I have to say that this is an amazing work. It's so nice to find wrong things to discover the life, the past life of the model, to imagine what the owner made, how was it good in modeling. Perhaps here I will look in my storage if I find the cage, the metal cage to protect. Such a long screw. Come on. One. Two. And about the engine, 380, 540, who knows? Yes, still soft, but as they say in England, needs some care. Okay, first of all wash. Right, 1, 2, 3. Oh yes, this one. Perhaps gloves. Okay. frame looks in great conditions, no cracks, no broken parts. And this is the frame. Gearbox. Inside the gearbox we will have surprises. The surprise is that there's no grease. Dry like the desert. Okay, and here it is, my friends. With my dirt hands I can say for sure this is the first time you see on YouTube this funny car completely disassembled with all the parts. Now I have several works, different works. Tires and rims, it's a work. Plastics, it would be nice to have them in the original color. I will try to see if I have some liquid, something to melt the painting. So plastics. Aluminum has to be washed in a special way because it becomes easily black. So don't use this is aluminum too. I would say don't use too aggressive or alkaline things to wash aluminum. Iron, grease, no problems. And the body is yellow, so I have to wash it. I would like to submerge in O3 water. Don't remember, acqua ossigenata, we say, 130 volumes, very strong. I already showed you in the past. Here we have two different screws, wonderful. I have to fix this little piece. And for today, this is all. You saw something very special. Comment, like and subscribe. Up to the next, I don't know what, if washing all or finding you all the parts washing. Ciao.